Hey guys, Michael Petersen here, your Colorado realtor, and I'm excited because I'm about to take you on a tour of my newest listing right here at 11602 Larkspur Drive in Parker, Colorado. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome. Let's take a look at your new home. Right when you walk in the door, you're greeted by a beautiful foyer, vaulted ceilings, beautiful windows, and a space that really can be used in a lot of different ways. You can use it as a second living room, a formal dining room, or a home office, which we know how important that is. So let's keep moving. All right, so now we're in the back half of the main floor, and this is where the open concept really comes alive. And right here in the kitchen, the owner just put in a black stainless steel appliance set by Samsung. And if you swing around here, you're also gonna see that they upgraded the dishwasher to a Bosch. And if you know anything about Bosch, people love them because they're super quiet. Off to the side here, we have your informal dining room, which leads right into the backyard. Keep coming a little bit farther and we have a huge living room here, which features a gas fireplace. And right down this hallway, we have access to your basement, garage, main floor bathroom, as well as your laundry. As we go upstairs, you will instantly see that the owner just installed brand new carpet on the entire second floor. There are two large bedrooms as well as a large bathroom before you enter into the master suite. All right, so this master suite definitely stands out from the rest. You have a master bath that has a soaker's tub, shower, and double vanity. You also get a walk-in closet, which who doesn't love that? And we have some bonus space right over here. Come through this archway and you get a huge bonus room attached to your master suite. Okay, another gas fireplace, bunch of storage, and this is really just a nice oasis that you can enjoy. All right, I think this backyard deserves a whoa because it has so much to offer. You have a fully fenced in yard with 6-foot fences. You have tons of greenery space to enjoy and do whatever you want with it. And you don't typically get that in these subdivisions. And lastly, you have a beautiful brick paved patio that you can use to enjoy with patio furniture, grilling, cooking out, anything you want, it has. I know you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. If you would like to tour this home, then please do click the links below and reach out to us and we can schedule a private tour for you. Thank you.